Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today, we're diving into the world of tools, the kind of ingenious gadgets that'll make you want to drop everything and head straight to the workshop. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior just starting out, you're gonna love this lineup. Get ready to have your mind blown by the ingenuity and sheer coolness factor of these tools. All right, folks, first up we've got a tool that's going to revolutionize the way you think about drilling. This isn't just any ordinary drill. It's a game changer that will make you rethink everything you thought you knew about drilling. Ever tried to drill through something delicate like glass or tile? It's a nerve-wracking experience, right? Yeah, it's usually a recipe for disaster. One wrong move and you've got shattered pieces everywhere. But fear no more, because the CAROMAX 800 is here to save the day. This isn't just a drill, it's a precision instrument. This bad boy is specifically designed to tackle those thin, fragile materials that usually give you a headache. We're talking glass, marble, porcelain. The CAROMAX 800 laughs in the face of delicate materials. It's like having a superhero in your toolbox. In a demo I saw, these guys were drilling through the side of a glass jar like it was nothing. Imagine the possibilities. The secret sauce? It spins at a mind-boggling 6,400 revolutions per minute. That's some serious speed. Plus, it comes with a set of diamond-tipped drill bits in different sizes, so you can tackle any project with ease. You can create perfectly smooth holes up to 68 millimeters in diameter. That's right, no more jagged edges or uneven cuts. No more chipped edges, no more shattered dreams, just clean, precise cuts every single time. It's like magic. Just make sure you wear your safety glasses because this thing is the real deal. Safety first, folks. With the CAROMAX 800, you're not just drilling, you're mastering the art of precision. Next up, we're taking a look at a tool that's a little more familiar, but with a twist, the OLFA KH1 utility knife. Now, I know what you're thinking, a utility knife? Really? That's not exactly groundbreaking, Mark, but hold on a second because this isn't your grandpa's rusty old box cutter. OLFA is the company that actually invented the snap-off blade way back in 1956, and they've been innovating ever since. This particular model, the KH1, is a testament to their commitment to quality and design. First off, the body is made from this super durable fiberglass reinforced polymer resin, so you know it's built to last. And speaking of blades, OLFA is known for making some of the sharpest, most durable blades in the game. Alright, moving right along to a tool that's going to make all my drywall guys out there shout, hallelujah! If you've ever spent hours on end taping and mudding drywall, you know it's one of those jobs that can be a real pain. But the ingenious folks over at Optimo have come up with a solution, the Optimo automatic taper. This thing is a beast, and it's about to revolutionize the way you tackle those drywall seams. Imagine this. You load up the automatic taper with both tape and joint compound, then simply run it down the seam. It applies the tape and the perfect amount of mud in one smooth, satisfying motion. No more struggling to hold the tape straight, no more messy fingers, and no more wasted compound. Once the tape and mud are applied, the tool smoothly slices off the tape at the perfect length. It's like magic, but better because it actually works. It's a workhorse that'll keep up with you, no matter how big the job. The Tesla bore scope gives you the power to see what the naked eye simply can't. It's like having a second set of eyes that can go places your own eyes can't reach. The Tesla TD 450S model in particular is a real winner. It's packed with features that make it stand out from the competition. It's got a beautiful 4.5-inch IPS color screen that gives you a crystal clear view of what's going on inside whatever you're inspecting. No more squinting at blurry images or guessing what's on the screen, and don't worry about those dark, dusty corners. This bad boy comes equipped with 8 bright LEDs to illuminate even the murkiest of environments. Whether it's a dark engine bay or a shadowy corner of your attic, you'll have all the light you need. The cable is incredibly flexible, capable of bending up to a whopping 210 degrees. This flexibility means you can navigate those tight corners and awkward angles with ease, reaching places you never thought possible. That means you can navigate those tight corners and awkward angles with ease. No more struggling to get the right angle or missing out on important details. And because no good adventure should go undocumented, the Tesla TD 450S comes with a 32GB memory card so you can record your findings, capture every detail and review it later or share it with others. The best part? This little marvel of technology is only $104. It's an affordable solution that brings high-tech capabilities to your fingertips without breaking the bank. So why wait? Get your Tesla borescope today and start seeing the world in a whole new way. Alright, let's talk about vices. These indispensable tools are the unsung heroes of any workshop. Those trusty workshop companions that hold our projects steady while we work our magic. Whether you're a professional craftsman or a weekend DIY enthusiast, a good vise is essential, but let's be honest, traditional vices can be a bit, well, one-dimensional. They do their job, but they lack the flexibility that modern projects often demand. That's where the IQ vise comes in, ready to blow your mind with its versatility and ingenuity. This isn't just another tool, it's a game changer. Now this isn't just some fancy-looking vise with a hefty price tag. It's a well-thought-out piece of engineering designed to meet the needs of today's craftsmen. The IQ vise is designed to be the most versatile vise on the market, and it lives up to its name. Its adaptability is unmatched, making it a must-have for any serious workshop. This thing doesn't just hold your workpieces hostage, it empowers you to unlock your full creative potential. Imagine the possibilities when your vise can adapt to your every need. The secret lies in its articulated design, which uses a simple pin system to offer a mind-boggling 8 different working positions. This means you can tackle any project with ease. Need to clamp something vertically? The IQ vise has got you covered. No problem. Horizontally, piece of cake. It adjusts seamlessly to hold your workpiece exactly how you need it. At a weird, awkward angle, the IQ vise handles it with ease. The IQ vise laughs in the face of awkward angles. No more struggling to make your workpiece fit. The vise adapts to you, and don't let its adaptable nature fool you. This vise means business. It's built tough to handle the most demanding tasks. It generates a torque of 18 kilogram force per meter, making sure your workpieces stay put while you chisel, saw, sand, or whatever else your heart desires. With the IQ vise, your projects are in safe hands, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating. Alright, for all you makers and builders out there, this next tool is going to have you drooling. We're talking about the Leicester Variant 700, a hot air welding tool that's as versatile as it is powerful. Now, when I say welding, I'm not talking about melting metal together with sparks flying everywhere. Hot air welding is a whole different beast, and it's perfect for working with a wide range of materials, from thick tarps to thin plastics. The Leicester Variant 700 in particular is a real workhorse, capable of handling everything from repairing truck tarps and creating advertising banners to even constructing tanks. One of the things that makes the Variant 700 so impressive is its speed. This thing can lay down a 2 to 5 centimeter weld at an incredible rate of 20 meters per minute. And because versatility is the name of the game, the Variant 700 allows you to quickly switch between overlap and tape welding. Plus, you can adjust the temperature anywhere from 100 to a scorching 620 degrees Celsius. Last but certainly not least, we've got a tool that's all about putting the power at your feet, literally. The Enerpac XA Series air-driven hydraulic foot pumps are here to revolutionize the way you think about hydraulic power. Now, I know what you're thinking. A foot pump? What is this, the 1800s? But trust me on this one, these foot pumps are anything but old-fashioned. They offer an incredible combination of power, precision, and ergonomic design that'll leave your hands free to focus on the task at hand. The XA Series pumps are designed for a wide range of applications, from industrial settings to railroad maintenance. They can handle a maximum working pressure of 680 atmospheres, which is roughly equivalent to the pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench. But it's not just about brute force. The XA Series pumps are also incredibly user-friendly, with an ergonomic foot pedal that allows for precise control over the hydraulic pressure. And because they're air-driven, you don't have to worry about messy oil spills or complicated electrical connections. Well folks, there you have it. 7 amazing tools that are guaranteed to up your game, no matter what you're building, fixing, or creating. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of awesome tools. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like this. And be sure to let me know in the comments which tool was your favorite and what other incredible gadgets you'd like to see featured in future videos.